Time for the second quarter. Game between Montania and Aeromasters. Inbound by jersey number 14, blue. Mr. Sugod naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pero pumitaw ng 3. No good. Jersey number 82 to jersey number 55. Jersey number 2. Stepping on the line. Again, score natin 26-18. Aeromasters. Mr. Sugod. Screen by jersey number 2. Jersey number 4. To jersey number 29. No good. Rebound by jersey number 13 to jersey number 2 for 3. 3 points, jersey number 2. Jersey number 77. Pass to jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. White, jersey number 2, illegal contact to the hands. Inbound the jersey number 28, Mr. Peregrino. Mr. Sugod, screen by jersey number 2. For 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 77. 2 points, jersey number 27, Montania. 9 na puntos na lang ho. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 77 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 28 to jersey number 14. Jersey number 77 to jersey number 28. Sumalaksak. Basket count. Jersey number 77. Blocking foul. Binigyan ng isang bonus free throw si jersey number 28. Substitution. Timeout ang Aeromasters. Score ho natin 29-22. Score 28-22. Lamang ng 6 na puntos ang kupunan ng Aeromasters laban sa kupunan ng Montania. Time remaining for the second quarter, 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Pointing officials of Aeromasters warning. Jersey number 28, pasok ang kanyang bonus free throw. Would like to acknowledge our Municipal Councilor, Honorable Manuel Manuling Lalaguna. 4-3, jersey number 77, no good. Jersey number 25, Mr. Medellin to jersey number 24, Baliwan. Rebound by jersey number 13. To jersey number 2. Jersey number 13. No good. Rebound by jersey number 28. Jersey number 77, Layugin. Ayan, jersey number 25. Screen by jersey number 55. To jersey number 28, Mr. Peregrino to jersey number 77. 4-3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Jersey number 2 points. Jersey number 82. Jersey number 77. Nagdadala ng bola, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. To jersey number 28. White, jersey number 77, holding foul. Inbound to jersey number 25, to jersey number 3. Jersey number 14, Mr. Torion. 10 shot clock. Jersey number 14, sumalaksak. 2 points, jersey number 14, Montanya. Jersey number 77. To jersey number 2. 14 to shoot. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan si jersey number 2. Nasa sa ilalim, jersey number 82. 2 points, jersey number 82. Score natin 32-25. Aero Masters. Jersey number 77. No good. Rebound by jersey number 10. To jersey number 77, White. And pasa ka jersey number 2 to jersey number 55. 14 shot clock. Pinasa sa ilalim. Blue, jersey number 3, pushing foul. Substitution. Inbound by jersey number 2 of AVS, Aero Masters. Jersey number 77 for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 10. No good. Rebound by jersey number 24, Blue. Intercepted by jersey number 55. Pero nabitawan ang bola. Score natin 32-25. Time remaining. Jersey number 77, White, warning for faking the foul. Jersey number 25, Mr. Medellina. 2 points, jersey number 25. Jersey number 2 nagdadala ng bola. Ayan, jersey number 2. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by jersey number 25. Long pass to jersey number 14. Walang kalaban. No good. All non-players, please stay to the bench. All non-playing players, please stay to the bench. Score natin 32-29. Aero Masters. Time remaining for the second quarter, 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Jersey number 2 nagdadala ng bola. Screen by jersey number 25. Jersey number 10. Mahigpit na depensa by jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Pushing foul. Jersey number 2. 3 points, jersey number 2. Jersey number 25. Jersey number 23. Jersey number 24. 2 points, jersey number 24. Montanya. 4 points na lang ang kailangan habulin ng Montanya sa kapunahan ng Aero Masters. No good. Rebound by jersey number 23. Intercepted by jersey number 77. With jersey number 2 for 3. 3 points, jersey number 2. Aero Masters. Jersey number 23. Nagdadala ng bola pass to jersey number 25. Mr. Medellin. To jersey number 24. No good. Rebound by jersey number 77. White. Jersey number 82. 2 points, jersey number 82. Score 40-31. Lumubobo ng 9 na puntos ang lamang. 2 points, jersey number 24, Montanya. Jersey number 2 nagpaplano. To jersey number 55. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan si jersey number 55 to jersey number 77 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number. Yan. Nabitawan ng bola. Lost ball. Substitution. Score natin 40-33. Aero Masters. Time remaining for the second quarter, 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 55, Michael Sander. May dalawang free throw, binigay. Kay jersey number 24. Unang bitaw, tingnan natin. Pasok, unang bitaw. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw. Jersey number 24, Baliwan of Montanya. No good. Jersey number 82. Napasobra ang pasa, lumampas. Jersey number 10 to jersey number 47. Screen by jersey number 29. 10 shot clock. Ayan, napakalakas na depensa. Pero pumasok. 2 points, jersey number 47. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 10, holding foul. Substitution. Penalty. Penalty situation. penalty situation. Unang bitaw ni jersey number 24, Baliwan of Montania. No good. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw of jersey number 24. Pasok, 1 out of 2. Jersey number 55. Jersey number 55, screen by jersey number 3. Pinasa ka jersey number 2. White. Intercepted by jersey number 24. Walang kalaban. 2 points, jersey number 24, Baliwan. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds for the second quarter with a score 42-37. Jersey number 77. Nagdadala ng bola, pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 55 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 11, Mr. Kibod. Jersey number 23. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 24. Offensive foul. In run by jersey number 3, White. To jersey number 77. Jersey number 3, screen by jersey number 11. Inasa ka jersey number 13. Pero naagaw ni jersey number 6 ang bola. Pass to jersey number 11, Mr. Kibot. Nagdadala ng bola sa walaksak. Inasa kay Mr. Gabi for 3. 3 points, Mr. Gabi, jersey number 3. 2 points na lang ho ang lamang. Jersey number 2, blocking foul. Time remaining for the second quarter, 1 minute and 28 seconds. Score natin 42-40. Bumaba sa 2 puntos ang lamang ng Aero Masters laban sa kabunuan ng Montania. Jersey number 77. Pinasa ka jersey number 3. Jersey number 11. To jersey number 23. Ayan, Mr. Kibod. Ay, Gabi. To Mr. Kibod. Jersey number 23, Mr. Cordova. Pass to jersey number 6. May kasamang tawag. Score natin 45-42. Tingnan natin ang bonus breaker ng jersey number 6, Mr. Escuyos. No good. Timeout, Montania. End of the timeout. Jersey number 3, Mr. Gabi. Jersey number 6. Ayan. To jersey number 23, Mr. Cordoba. Foul to shoot. Jersey number 6, sumalaksak. No good. Substitution. Inbound by jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 47. Jersey number 47. 2 points, jersey number 47, Aaron Muscles. Jersey number 29, Mr. Obregon. Pass to jersey number 23. No good. Inbound by jersey number 3, Mr. Gabi. To Mr. Kibod for 3. 3 points, jersey number 11, Mr. Kibod Montanya. Coach, silang tamo sulod dira sa court. Dili lang sa kilid. Oh, dali na. Half court. Half court. Sponsor ni Mayor 500. Away gusto 500. Oh, tama na. Tama na. Para ma-director, bali. Baliskan. Alah, nayabag na. 3 points wala diha. Half court. Hoy, half court. Nananggal na chinilas, oh. Sus, kadaghan. Sige, hatag wing. Sus, kulang sa kain, Mar. Isa ba ng chinilas, oh? Mau, una-una gini mong pila diha niya, imong sinilas gibian. Wala na, huwag balik. Gawas na dito. Jesus. Kabot ka kanakal? Hapit.
Di kapoy na baka sa nagkamang nga internet? Mag-switch ka na sa IMTech Solution and Data Provider. Malakas, mabilis, walang mintis. Ang internet connection mo, the best. Kaya ang ilang internet dili dependent sa mga telco diri sa atong lugar. Direkta kinig gikan sa laing nasod. Marami na ang nagpa-connect. Magpapahuli ka ba? Switch na! They have branches in Kinabawan, Makilala, President Rojas, Magpet, Antipas, Arakan, Matalam, Kabakan, Carmen, Lang, and Tulunan. Contact 0967-956-8701 or 0977-742-3484. Di kapoy na baka sa nagkamang nga internet? Mag-switch ka na sa IMTech Solution and Data Provider. Malakas.
Gamay na lang, guys. Practice na daw. Tulo na lang. Last two. Ikaw na lagi pag-asa daw. Kana, tanggalin sinilas daw. Kasi ikaw na yung makadaw ka ng 500 million. Eh, dami? Kaya lang. Napay practice, ha? Dami? Hala! Okay, third quarter. Time for the third quarter. Game between Aeromasters and Montania. Change court na po tayo. Score natin para sa third quarter natin, 47-45. Aeromasters. Inbound the jersey number 55. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 47. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Sugod. Jersey number 4. 2 points, jersey number 29. Tie score na ho tayo sa score na 47. Jersey number 4, blocking foul, blue. Acknowledging our Chief of Police of Makilala Municipal Police Station, Police Lieutenant Colonel John Meridel Kalinga. Jersey number 10 to jersey number 47, Aeromasters. Jersey number, may binagyan ng isang bonus dito sa jersey number 47. Tignan natin ang bonus dito ni jersey number 47. Pasok. Score natin 50-47. Jersey number 77, screen by jersey number 13. Level shot clock. Inbound with jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. No good. Rebound by jersey number 47 to jersey number 3. 3 points, jersey number 3. Jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Nagpaplano. 2 points, jersey number 4, Montanya. Jersey number 55. 2 points, jersey number 55, Aero Masters. Score natin 54-49. Jersey number 4, screen by jersey number 3. Point to shoot. Jersey number 77, 2 points, Montanya. Score 54-51, Aero Masters. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 47. Sumalaksak, but no good. Jersey number 4. Coach! Dito sa kilid. Dito sa kilid. Dito sa istorya. Gawa sa player, gawa sa. Rep. Rep. End of the timeout. Score natin 54-51. Time remaining for the third quarter, 7 minutes and 46 seconds. Intercepted by jersey number 10 to jersey number 3. Jersey number 55 for 3. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. Naghanap ng mababasa, pinasa ka jersey number 4, 4-3. No good, rebound by jersey number 47. Ayan. Nag-aagawa ng bola. Nagagawa ni jersey number 10 to jersey number 13. 2 points, jersey number 13. Score natin 56-51, Aero Masters. Jersey number 29 to jersey number 6. Mr. Opegon for 3. No good. To jersey number 29. To jersey number 77. 2 points. Jersey number 77. Montanya. Score natin 56-53. Jersey number 4, Blue, holding foul. Inbound by jersey number 55. Yan, inbound by jersey number 55 of Aero Masters to jersey number 47. Blue, jersey number 4, holding foul. Warning for foul out, jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. Jersey number 47. No good. Rebound by jersey number 77. To jersey number 23, Mr. Cordova. Jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. Nabitawan ang bola, pero nakuha ni jersey number 23. Pinasa sa ilalim, jersey number 29. 2 points, jersey number 29, Montanya. Isang 1 point na lamang ng Aero Masters versus Montanya. Rebound by jersey number 23. Mr. Sugo nagdadala ng bola. To jersey number 29, 2 points, jersey number 29. Ayan lamang na ho ang kupunan ng Montanya. 56-57, Montanya. Rebound by jersey number 29, Mr. Obregon, Montanya. Score 56-57, Montanya. Double dribble. Substitution. Time remaining for the third quarter, 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Score 56-57, Montanya. Jersey number 47, nagdadala ng bola at nagpaplano at naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Jersey number 29, holding foul. Penalty. Penalty situation. Unang bitaw, jersey number 47, Aero Masters. Pasok, unang bitaw. Tingnan natin ang pangalawang bitaw ni jersey number 47. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw. Ayan, pasok sa mga ang dalawang free throw ni jersey number 47 of Aero Masters. 58-57, Aero Masters. Mr. Obregon to jersey number 77 for 3 points, jersey number 27. Score 58-60, Montanya. Jersey number 47. Jersey number 29, blocking foul. May isang bonus free throw si jersey number 47. 60 all. Ayan, napakadikit ho ng laban, napaka-intense. ABS versus Montanya. Score 61-60, Aero Masters. Jersey number 14 to jersey number 1. Pinasa ka jersey number 24, 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 47, Aero Masters. Jersey number 47. Substitution. Inbound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 10. Intercepted by jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 1. To jersey number 28. Ayan, napasa sa kalaban pero nabitawan. Lost ball. Jersey number 14 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. To jersey number 14 sa malaksak. 2 points, jersey number 14. Score 61-62. Montanya. Kickball. Ayan, napakaganda ho ng ating championship game between Montanya and Aero Masters. Jersey number 28, Mr. Peregrino. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 14. Pinasa ka jersey number 77. 2 points, jersey number 28, Mr. Peregrino. 61-64, Montanya. Jersey number 77. Pinasa ka jersey number 55. To jersey number 82, 3 points, jersey number 82. 63-64, score, Montanya. Jersey number 28, nagdadala wala pass to jersey number 23, to jersey number 77. To jersey number 28, to jersey number 23, tignan natin. Jersey number 3, inbound. Pass to jersey number 82. Jersey number 10, nagdadala ng bola, naghanap ng papapasahan. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by Visitors at jersey number 77. 3 points, jersey number 55. 65-64, Aero Masters. Jersey number 77 sumalaksak. 2 points, jersey number 77. 65-66, Montanya. 4-3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 55. 2 points, jersey number 55. Score 67-66, Aero Masters. Palitan lang ho kung sinong lamang. Hulihanay lang yun ang bawat kupunan. Intercepted by jersey number 77. Jersey number 82 ng kalaban. Nakuha ni jersey number 77. To jersey number 3. 3 points, jersey number 3. Jersey number 23, Mr. Cordova, naghahanap ng mapapasahan to jersey number 1. Mr. Torion, pass to jersey number 77. Intercepted by jersey number 10 of Aero Masters. Nakagaw ni jersey number 14. Substitution. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds for the third quarter. Score 69-66. Aero Masters. Jersey number 23 to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 82, blocking foul, White. Inbound by jersey number 1, Montania. To jersey number 28, balik sa kanyang bola. Malayong dos, no good. Jersey number 3, walang kalaban. 3 points, jersey number 3, Aero Masters, seconds to play. 45 seconds, time remaining. Traveling violation. .2 seconds, time remaining for the third quarter. Score 71-66. Aero Masters. Jersey number 55. Last 35 seconds. Jersey number 10, long 2. 3 points, jersey number 10. Last 25 seconds. Jersey number 14. Five to shoot. Last 5 seconds. End of the third quarter and the score 73-68. Aero Masters. This Mayor AMQ Intercollegiate Basketball League is in line with our celebration with the 78th founding anniversary of Makilala Dab Askasunayan Festival 2024. Pinapasalamatan ho natin ating Municipal Mayor, Mayor Armando Morales Gibod, for initiating this Intercollegiate Basketball League. Again, we'd like to acknowledge our Municipal Councilor, Honorable Manuel Manuling Lalaguna, and our Chief of Police, Police Lieutenant Colonel John Meridel Kalinga. At ina-acknowledge din ho natin ang LCW President and the better half of our Mayor, Ma'am Conchita Gabi Kibod. Pinapasalamatan din ho natin ang ating basketball officiating officials coming from Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, spearheaded by their Municipal Commissioner, Mr. Narciso Inson Jr. And our Mayor AMQ Basketball League team, headed by our Municipal Sports Coordinator, Mr. J. Pinyalder. Iniimbitahan ho namin kayo mamayang gabi para sa reggae night. We have Kalumad Band, Batuwalani, and Bringas Brothers. Free lang po yan. Ayan, mas maganda, mas maaga ho kayong pumunta para makahanap po kayo ng area. Time for the fourth and final quarter. Game between Aero Masters and Montania. Sino kaya ang magiging kampiyon para sa ating Season 3 Intercollegiate Basketball League? Dito na ho natin malalaman kung sino ang magiging kampiyon para sa ating Intercollegiate Basketball League. Score ho natin 73-68, Aero Masters. Jersey number 4 nagdadala ng bola. Mr. Sugod to jersey number 3, Mr. Gabi, balik sa kanyang bola. Mr. Obregon, pinasa kay jersey number 24. 4-3, jersey number 21, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3, White. Intercepted by jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod for 3. 3 points, jersey number 4. Napaka-intenso ng laro. Montanya versus Aero Masters. Score 73-71. No good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 4. Yan. Munti kang magaw, Mr. Gabi. No good. Loose ball. Ina-acknowledge natin ating mga barangay officials na nandito ngayon. Ayan, magandang hapon po sa iyo, sir. 4-3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 47. Jersey number 47, screen by jersey number 29. Jersey number 77, pass to jersey number 19. 2 points, jersey number 10. Score natin 75-71. Jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. Pinasa ka jersey number 29. Oh, wait. Jersey number 21. No good. Rebound by jersey number 47. Intercepted by jersey number 29. No good. Ayan, rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 7, 4-3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. White, jersey number 77, blocking foul. Inbound by jersey number 14, blue. Mr. Sugod, with jersey number 14. Nabitawan ang bola. Pushing foul, jersey number 24. Jersey number 3, to jersey number 5. Jersey number 55. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan to jersey number 77. Balik sa kanyang bola. Sumaksak. No good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Long pass to jersey number 4. Medyo napalakaso ang pasa. Hindi inabot ang bola. Inbound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 47. Palakad-lakad, dala ang bola. Naghahanap, nagpaplano. Traveling violation ang tinawag ng ating referee. Score ho natin 75-71. Aero Masters. Time remaining 7 minutes and 14 seconds. Jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. 4-3, jersey number 29. Jersey number 24. White jersey number 77, double foul. Jersey number 24, blue. Jersey number 77, white. Warning for fouled out. Jersey number 3 of Aero Masters, nagdadala ng bola, naghanap ng mapapasahan. To jersey number 77. Pero nakuha na yung jersey 47. 4-3. 3 for jersey number 77. Score 78-71. Aero Masters. Jersey number 4. To jersey number 14. May kasamang tawag. Jersey number 10. Hit to the head. Binigyan ng dalawang bonus ko. Jersey number 24. Baliwan. Jersey number 10. Warning for foul out. White. Unang bitaw, jersey number 24. Pasok. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw. Jersey number 24, Montania. No good. Rebound by jersey number 77. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 77. Jersey number 77. Illegal contact to the hands. Inbound by jersey number 55 to jersey number 77, White. Jersey number 47 for 3. Jersey number 24, illegal cylinder. May tatlong bonus free throw si jersey number 47. Fouled out jersey number 24. Unang bitaw. Pasok. Tingnan natin ang pangalawang bitaw ni jersey number 47. Pasok pa rin. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw. Jersey number 47 of Aero Masters. No good. 2 out of 3. Jersey number 77 to jersey number 29. Two points, jersey number 23, Montania. Jersey number 3 nagdadala ng bola, screen by jersey number 4. Inasa ka jersey number 77. Jersey number 55 to jersey number 47. 5-shot clock. 2 points, jersey number 47. Jersey number 4 to jersey number 29. For 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Walang kalaban. Block by jersey number 29. Napakagandang laro ho. Aero Masters versus Montania. Jersey number 3. Pinasa ka jersey number 77. 3 points, jersey number 77. Time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 82-74. Aero Masters. 85-74, Aero Masters. Again, today we are celebrating the 78th founding anniversary of Makilala Da Basketball Festival 2024. Again, unyang gabi, ginaimbitahan mo na mo sa atong reggae night sa atong municipal ground. Libre lang siya atong mga banda unyang gabi. Kalumad Band, Bato Balani, and Bringas Brothers. Pinapasalamatan natin ang Municipal Mayor Armando Morales Gibod for initiating this Intercollegiate Basketball League on its Season 3. And at the timeout, time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Inbound by jersey number 14. Jersey number 4. Pinasa ka jersey number 29. Jersey number 77 to jersey number 23. Sumalaksak, jersey number 77. No good. Last 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Jersey number 23, Mr. Cordova, sumalaksak. 2 points, jersey number 23, Montania. Jersey number 3. To jersey number 77, screen by jersey number 23. No good. Jersey number 4 to jersey number 29, Mr. Obregon. Jersey number jersey number 47, holding foul. Inbound by jersey number 29 of Montania. The jersey number 3 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 77, Walaksak. 2 points, jersey number 77, Montania. Intercept for jersey. Jersey number 3, nagdadala ng bola, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pinasa sa ilalim. Jersey number 19, 29, Arm. Warning for foul out, jersey number 29. Mr. Gabi, to jersey number 23, Mr. Cordova. Sumalaksak, but no good. Rebound by jersey number 47. And intercepted by jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. For 3, Mr. Gabi. 3 points, jersey number 3, Montania. Jersey number 13 to jersey number 3. Score natin 88-81, Aero Masters. No good. For 3 points, jersey number 55. Jersey number 3, no good. Mr. Sugod for 3. 3 points, jersey number 4, Montania. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds for the fourth quarter. Jersey number 55, screen by jersey number 4. To jersey number 3, 4-2. 2 points, jersey number 3, Aero Masters. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 4. No good. Rebound by... Nakuha ni jersey number 23, Mr. Cordova. Jersey number 77. No good. Gawas lang sa dira ang coach. Penalty situation. Last 1 minute and 52 seconds. Again, last 1 minute and 52 seconds. Score 93-84. Aero Masters. Tingnan natin ang bonus breaker ng jersey number 77. Asok! Jumpers get ready for the final free throw of jersey number 77, Aero Masters. Jersey number 77 to jersey number 14 for 3. 3 points, jersey number 14. Score 95-87, Aero Masters. Jersey number 47, 2 points, jersey number 47. Jersey number 3 to jersey number, pinali sa kanya, for 3. 3 points, jersey number 3, Mr. Gabe. 91-97, Aero Masters. Jersey number 77, nagdadala ng bola. No good. Rebound by jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. To jersey number 77. Tingnan natin jersey number 14, Mr. Torion. No good. Seconds to play na lang ang natitira sa fourth quarter natin. 53.2 seconds. Timeout, Montanya. Again, score 97-91, Aero Masters. Again, napakagandang championship game ho. Game between Aero Masters and Montanya. End of the timeout. Jersey number 3, Mr. Gabi, nagdadala ng bola for 3. No good. Jersey number 6. Illegal contact to the hands, binigyan ng dalawang bonus throw. Pinsay dito lang. Score natin 97-91, Aero Masters. Unang bitaw ni jersey number 47. Pasok. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw of jersey number 47. Time out, Montanya. Wala na akong time out na natitira sa ating Montanya na team. .3 seconds, time remaining for the fourth quarter, with a score of 99-91, Aero Masters. End of the timeout. Jersey number 14. Inbound niya to Mr. Sugod, to Mr. Gabi. No good. 2 points, jersey number 77. 99-93. Jersey number, nasa ka jersey number 77 to jersey number 55. Jersey number 77. Jersey number 6, blocking foul. Madalawang bonus throw si jersey number 77. Last 25.2 seconds. Palihog may lingkod sa bench sa unsani, Aero Masters. Tingnan natin unang bitaw, jersey number 77. Pasok ang unang bitaw ni jersey number 77. That marks sa 100 points ng Aero Masters. Jumpers get ready. No good. Jersey number 29 to jersey number 3. Mr. Sugo nagdadala ng bola. 3 points, jersey number 3. 15 seconds. Time remaining. Jersey number 4. Illegal contact to the hands. Fouled out, jersey number 4, Mr. Sugod. Timeout, Aero Masters. Time remaining for the fourth quarter. 14.6 seconds. Score 196. Aero Masters. End of the timeout. Tingnan natin. Unang bitaw, jersey number 55. Pasok. Tingnan natin pangalawang bitaw ni jersey number 55. Pasok. Jersey number 29 to jersey number 77. 10 seconds, time remaining. No good. Rebound by jersey number 14. No good. Jersey number 77 sa kanyang bonus free throw. Congratulations, Aero Master, champion for the Mayor AMQ Intercollegiate Basketball League Season 3. And our first runner-up for our Basketball League goes to Montania. Our first runner-up will receive a trophy and 70,000 pesos cash prize. Requesting our municipal mayor, our municipal vice mayor to award the trophy and the cash prize for our first runner-up. May we request also Honorable Manuel Manoling Lalaguna to be our board of congratulators. Ayan, tinatawagan ho natin ang ating first runner-up, Montania. Requesting our Municipal Vice Mayor, Attorney Ryan D. Tamanay, and our Municipal Councilor, Honorable Manuel Manoling Lalaguna. Ayan, to award. Again, our first runner-up will receive a trophy and 70,000 pesos cash. Ayan, Montania, Maliyobis, atong first runner-up to receive your prize. Ayan, congratulations pa rin ho sa Montania for a very thrilling and ground-shaking game na pinakita ho ninyo. Ayan, congratulations ho. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the champion for the Season 3 Mayor AMQ Intercollegiate Basketball League, Aero Masters. Our champion will receive a trophy and 120,000 pesos cash. Ayan, tumataginting na 120,000 pesos ang napanalunan ng Aero Masters Aerovation School of Mindanao. Ayan, together with the coach, na-picture po tayo. Congratulations once again, Aerovation School of Mindanao, undefeated. Ayan, congratulations. Sumataginting na 120,000 ang kanilang napalalunan at trophy.